Hello everybody, Multiman37 back here with another review. This time it's a double review for the Raised Buckle Shield and Arrow set, as well as the Ninja Raised Buckle, which I'm also going to be including the Tycoon ID core for obvious reasons. From Kamen Rider Geats, and I just realized I forgot something. I'll be right back. Forgot to get the boost buckle. So, yeah, let's get down to it. We'll take a look at the boxes, then the ID core first before the raised buckle. Well, raised buckles. So here's the box for Arrow and Shield, excuse me. Got Arrow and Shield right there. Geats and Tycoon using Arrow and Shield, even though this should be reversed right now because Tycoon used Arrow more. Desire Grand Prix Shield and Arrow raised buckle right there. Just the raised buckle right there. Shows them in the driver, and then on the back is everything you're gonna do. As for the Ninja raised buckle box, it's a lot bigger since it's a form buckle. Ninja buckle right here, and then we got both Geats, or Tycoon and Geats in Ninja form. Ninja raised buckle, contents right there, shows it in the driver. I can't read that on the bottom. And on the back is everything you're gonna do with this. So, cool. Now, I'm going to show off the ID core first. This needs to not fall over 5 million times. So here is the Tycoon ID core. It is a green transparent ID core for Kamen Rider Tycoon, who is based on a Tanuki. Now, this is not originally included with the Ninja raised buckle, which is stupid, honestly, because all the other riders, all the other 5 main riders had their buckles with their ID cores except for Tycoon. I don't know what they were thinking, but this was a promotional item bonus, where if you either bought the driver or an item that I'll review later, you got this ID core, and it wouldn't make sense to review it in that set because while Tycoon did use it, this is the buckle he used the most in the series, so I'm going to use it. So, alright. So there's the ID core. Nothing too special. So here we have the raised buckles. We'll start with Arrow, which is a weapon raised buckle, so it is of the smaller variety, and it has a crossbow rather than just a traditional bow and arrow. So yeah, you can pull the crossbow back, and that's how you would activate it. And it is done in this kind of highlighter green color. It's not highlighter yellow, it's definitely a green color. But yeah, not too much about it. QR code right there, which I'm holding upside down. Scan it if you want. I do not care. And then, of course, we have the Shield raised buckle, which is done out in dark blue. And for this, you just push on the shield. QR code is right there if you want it. And it does look nice, honestly. And then, of course, we have the Ninja buckle, which is the form buckle we're going to be looking at. Done out in this sort of lime green color. And of course you do get the spinning shuriken, and the gears in the background do spin. Though traditionally you would want to pull the kunai handle here. So you can either let it go on its own, or you can just force it yourself. It also has black paint as well as this sort of magenta color right here, which is metallic. Like it. I like it. So let's set things up here. As I bring out the back that up a bit. We'll just move these out the way here. I'm actually going to start with Geats using Shield here, and then I'll switch out to Tycoon. So, here's Shield. So there's the Shield form. Hit it again for the Shield Strike. So there's that. You can't revolve on. I'm not going to do that for these buckles. That's not the point. We did Geats' ID core. Now we'll do Tycoon. So now we are Tycoon. I need to move this. I have the raised buckle holders. Why aren't these going in? I don't have these going backwards again, do I? No, I don't. There we go. So Tycoon is ready. Let's start with the first form he used. Arrow. So there's Arrow. Now for the Arrow Strike. If I pull it.
Arrow Strike.
And there's that. We'll just set those right there. And next we'll do Ninja. And Henshin. So there we have Kamen Rider Tycoon Ninja form, which is his main form that he uses all the time. So we also have the Ninja Strike. And now we'll pair it up with Boost. Wait, I got it. That acted weird for some reason. So we got the Ninja Boost form. And we can do the strike.
Ninja Boost Victory.
Or the victory, rather. And now boost time.
Boost time. Ninja boost and victory.
And while I'm in the area here, we can revolve on.
Revolve on.
So this would give us boost ninja form. So let's remove all this, and we will use it. We will use all three of these buckles in the Magnum shooter here. I'm gonna back this up. Probably just back this up. Anyway, I'll just use these in handgun mode. There's no reason to switch modes here. So shield. They need to switch the batteries in here later. Arrow. And now ninja. So overall, these are some pretty good buckles right here. I definitely recommend you pick these up because honestly, they are kind of fine, especially Ninja. I do like the little spinning gimmick it has on its own. My finger was in the way, but whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys later. Take care.